Hello, welcome to Love 2 Programming. I am Kausar. This is session 5 of Complete FMS using C# and SQL Server. In today's session, first we want to create custom class for all database operations. You have known that in database we have many operations like insert, update, delete, and select. And for handling all these operations, we want to create custom class in our project. That is because in this project we want to use complete object-oriented programming. After that we want to explain database related classes like SQL Connection, SQL Command, SQL Data Reader, SqlParameter and Data Table. However, let's open Finance Management System. Okay, here in our project we have helper classes folder. What we want to do? We want to create custom class inside this folder. And here I will provide meaningful name for this class, for example, database, communicator. Okay, well, our class is created. Here first we want to add the required namespaces like system.data, system.data.SqlClient, system.configuration using system.data, using system.data.SqlClient and using system.configuration. Okay, after that we will declare variables inside database communicator like connection, command, data reader, parameter and data table. Okay, we declare some variables using different data types. And I don't want to explain these classes in more details. Just remember that. First, we want to explain the SQL Connection class. The SQL Connection class is used for database connectivity. Whenever we want to connect C# application with SQL Server database, then we will use SQL Connection class. Because the main purpose of this class is that to connect C# application with SQL Server database. And this class presents in system.data.SqlClient namespace. Then we have SQL Command class. The SQL Command class is used to prepare an SQL statement or store procedure that we want to execute on a SQL Server database. This class also presents in system.data.SqlClient namespace. Thereafter we have SQL Data Reader class. The SQL Data Reader class reads data in most efficient manner. And the main objective of this class is that to read data from SQL Server database. Okay, this class also presents in system.data.SqlClient namespace. Well, thereafter we have SqlParameter class. This class is used to pass parameters to a store procedure in a SQL Server database. Okay, why we use this class in our project? That is because in this project we want to use store procedures instead of normal queries. And whenever we want to send parameters from C# application to SQL Server database, then we should go for SqlParameter class. This class also presents in system.data.SqlClient namespace. After that we have Data Table class. The Data Table class is used to represent data as a tabular form. And this data is going to be stored in memory. Okay, the Data Table class presents in system.data namespace. Well, in our next video session, inshallah, we will create methods inside database communicator class. One method for getting all data from SQL Server database, another method for getting specific records or data from SQL Server database, and one method for DML operations as well. Because in DML we have insert, update and delete operations. And for handling all these operations, we will create single method. Don't confuse yourself. Inshallah, we will create each method step by step with clear explanation. End of this lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.